You enjoying yourself? Yeah. Hi, baby bear.
Yeah. Party's over? Okay, dogs.
Rupee. It's okay, don't cry. ¿Qué ha pasado, Dana? ¿Estás cansada?
You ready?
Ooh, a piece of candy. 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 Ooh, a piece of...
My dog thinks he's a kitty cat, y'all.
Show me your sore foot. Oh, you poor thing. Oh my goodness!
What the f?
Who let the dogs out?
Because you're fine and you're mine and you look so divine.
Oh, get it. Get it. Get it.
Al ladito. Pelito al lado.
Oh my gosh! Do you want to see?
Get a great thing they said. It'll be great, they said. God, you're not a lap dog.
Touch. Touch. Good girl. Touch.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
ฝนตกบอกแล้วใช่ไหมฮะฝนตกบอกว่ายังไงห้ามไปวิ่งเล่น
He about to ease his way over there to her pool.
Oh my. Let me.
You really farted in my face.
Oh, you forgot your toy.
Yes, you have to wait a second. Yeah, I know. You're so excited.
Bella, you little turd.
Oh, that hurt Mama Dog. You okay, Mama Dog?
Отварчик по-мамски пиешь.
Wolfie's wearing jeans. Fuck. Come on. Come here. I like you jeans.
Hey, go get your ball.
Chama, Miguel. Chama. Chama, Miguel, para descer.
But you see here on the left-hand side, you're going to start with the actual citation.
Go get the ball. Go get the ball. You were a retriever.
Okay.
Butt smash!
Every day I wake up and I ask myself, how am I going to be the biggest pain in the ass that I can be?
As payback for his defection. 2 actors in the production did get supporting nominations, Jack Palance and Brandon DeWilda, who at age 11 became one of the young.
Bender, come here. Come here.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
It should come out, shouldn't it?
Yep.
Right. Ready?
Give him Mr. Bite on.
You ready? Don't point up. Go! Idiot!
Buttercup, buttercup.
So cute. Oh, wow, okay.
Just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Aw, you guys look so comfy. Aw.
See. Do you like the... Oh!
What you doing out here with all this ass? Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon, hella ass, the sun.
Or pet behaviorist explained it. Just eat it.
Oh, Mickey.
What's she doing, Gus? Oh, that was so mean.
You wanna go to walk? You wanna go to walk? You wanna go to...
Are you holding me so I can't go anywhere? You really got me locked in here, buddy. I'm not leaving you again.
Down. Penny. Yeah, good girl.
Cleo. Really? Really? Wow. Okay.
Este pendejo.
This is what happens when the dog runs off. Has a lot of long hair on his neck. Twix, come here. Stop. Let's take a look at your neck. That's just lovely. Oh, shake.
So if you're the president of the United States and you're looking, they're coming from here, here, and here. They're my teammate.
Hello, you're the cutest. You're the cutest.
Cô nào đi à?笑死我了。
Os cachorros, esse aqui tá aqui comendo. E olha a fila, gente, esperando a hora deles.
Here we go with words. Here we go singing out the room.
Not today, buddy. No toys. You need to go? You're being dramatic, my dog.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Phantom, sit. Good boy.
Get him, boy! Come on, Pimple, get out of the way! Yeah, I'm trying to play cards here.
Is he doing the way? Yeah.
Oh my god!
This isn't Charmin. No wonder I don't feel as clean.
Here's Charmin Ultra Strong. But that's done. Larry!
Let's make Bean super tired. Let's make her go run after the toy so many times she gets so tired. Oh my gosh, Bean!
What is wrong with my dog eating his breakfast in the splooge position?
You got an itch, buddy boy? Charlie?
That's a good story.
Itching your back? Itching your back?
I owed him up.
You broke it in half. What'd you do?
I wanna kill my mom. What the? I wanna kill my dad. I wanna kill my girl.
Oh, that's nipple.
¡Ah! ¡Ay, Miguel!
Sit. Hey, good boy. Oh, Michael! There he goes.
Wow. Wow, how do you hire Mama?
What are you doing in my swamp?
That's my slipper. That's my slipper. Give it to me.
Stay. Mark. Nelly.
Jaden, go side.
¿Viste? El pendejo se cayó de hocico.
Wait a minute. Wait. Are you supposed to be up here? Oh my.
She eat it.
Buddy, Toby. Come on. Come on.
Cabrón. No es cierto, mijo, vente. Ven. Ven acá.
That is so cute.
Was more than halfway full. Jack, try to walk. Come on, let's go. It's not funny, but my dog is drunk and I don't know what to do about it. Fuck.
Vamos. ¡Ay, Gio!
Não vai entrar! Puta que pariu! Não! Não! Marula!
Can you close the door? Can you close the door? Thank you. Good boy.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.